Let me now go across to Sonal Mehrotra, who's at the NDMA, the National Disaster Management Authority. Sonal, the NDMA clearly coming under sharp criticism for its lack of preparedness for the cyclone. Many even saying India is clearly underestimating this cyclone.
Well, Shweta, there are two big questions which really hang out at this point. One, how severe is this cyclone? And second, is the country really prepared for this one? Now, coming to the first one, here NDMA saying very clearly that this is going to be an extremely severe cyclone affecting almost 1.2 crore people spread across an area of 550 kilometers, and something which will go on to affect everybody from households to rivers, and flooding, etc., is going on, and will have to be extremely prepared. Now, NDMA also saying at this point that they did not anticipate such a huge, kind of a cyclone. They say that till last evening their preparations were underway, but this morning they realized they were much underprepared, and now they're gearing up for it. They say that there are three basic things to be kept in mind once a cyclone hits. One is rainfall, second is the cyclone stir, and third is how big and how fast are the winds blowing. All three at this point seem to be moving at a gushing speed, and we can expect around 1.2 crore people to be affected by this by tomorrow. Now, coming to the second question and the more difficult one, are we really prepared for this? Remember, NDMA currently saying that they've spent accurate amount of companies and troops to the affected areas, to those, especially to those 4 main districts which are said to be affected in Odisha, saying the doctors, engineers, everybody seems to are in place and capable of doing this. The more crucial question of evacuation, something which has also been projected in Archal's report, NDMA saying that they have been giving out newspaper reports, also propagating through radio and through other sources, asking people to evacuate with bare essentials, and also setting up camps where these people, and also educating them to try and see where they can be moved. But clearly, is that really enough? But remember, there have been reports which say that in Bhubaneswar alone, the radar has been dysfunctional. NDMA, we asked them if communication is a big hazard here, because they say that they're going to be communicating to the locals there through radio. But once the cyclone hits, is that really going to be effective? Those remain to be the very crucial and the difficult questions. We'll have to wait and watch how they're able to match up to themselves by tomorrow, by the time the landfall really happens and the first hit takes place. Let's now listen into what the NDMA chairperson, in fact the vice chairperson, Mr. Reddy, had to speak once he was describing the situation to us.
The affected population in these 5 districts should be about 1.2 crores. I do agree that things have intensified a little bit more than what was anticipated yesterday, but then it is certainly now they say that this is the kind of, I'm sure that there won't be much variance, but should there be any variance, we'll definitely look into it.